Wiggins. I'm the shop owner at Highway 15 Tire and Lube in Decatur, Mississippi. Our mechanic here has over 25 years experience in the automotive industry. We service domestic, import, and diesels, including semi-trucks. We also work on farm equipment. We sell new and used tires, and we do welding repair. We have free pickup and delivery, and we offer 24-hour roadside assistance.
As a resident of Decatur, I'm tickled to have Highway 15 Tire and Lube open up here. Makes it handy for having tires repaired. Miscellaneous items that I have that I need. My lawnmower getting greased and everything else. Every time I come by, they've been real helpful and quick to jump on my problem and take care of me. And I'm tickled to death they're here in Decatur, Mississippi.
Come see us at Highway 15